I am so excited. I absolutely love juicers. I have used so many juicers before, but I have never used one that looks this beautiful. This is literally the first time I'm using this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, again, I've used juicers, but with this one, and that's why I love doing reviews like this, because if I can do it, I feel like you can do it as well. One of the things I absolutely love about this one, taking it out of the package, the whole bottom part was already put together. The only thing I had to do was slide in the top part up here, made it super simple. Sometimes it can be confusing, but this one was not. And usually the juicers I'm used to, you have like 2 cups, one for your juice and then the other one for all the pulp. But I'm gonna go ahead and assume all the pulp is gonna come out in here, and then my juice is gonna be down here. And right now I have it closed. I'm assuming later on I'm gonna try that after. I'm gonna open this and it's all gonna come pouring out. As I said, I have no idea. We're trying it for the first time. But check this out. You've got this beautiful little touch screen here. You can do, so you have like soft fruits, vegetables, mixed. You can even put some ice cream in here, and you have hard fruits. So I'm gonna do mixed. I literally just looked in my fridge. I'm like, what do I have? I've got some strawberries, carrots, and apples. That looks very strange, but I bet it's gonna taste fantastic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with mixed, I think. And the other cool thing is you can actually set it on a timer. So maybe I was just like heading out to do a few errands, but I know that when I come home, I want some like fresh juice. You can put everything in here, and in like an hour, it will just like turn on and do it by itself. But I'm going to be trying this without the timer. I am hoping that if I just hit play or start, it's going to start. But let's go ahead and load this up. I don't even know how to open this. So I think do we push? Let's see. Do I pull? Turn? Nope. Squeeze, push. So I'm clearly just in the wrong angle. There's like a big old button right here. I just couldn't see it. So no big deal. So we pop that open. So let's go ahead and throw our little mixed veggies in here. These pieces are pretty big. Hopefully it's gonna do, you know, what it needs to do, and that I haven't cut them too big. I mean, the fact that this is like so large, I think it will be fine. You can also feed in from up here on the top. And of course you do have your little piece right here that's gonna just help push it down. So is this still on? This is on. I do not want a timer. So let's see if I just do this. Okay, so I think that means because I've turned on the timer. So I need to figure out how to turn off the timer. So let's turn this back off. Okay, let's go back on. Okay, I figured it out. This is why I love doing reviews like this, because you know, sometimes you have to take a minute to figure it out. Okay, so I can see some juice wanting to come out. Let's go ahead. Oh! Nice. And check out on this side. Look at all that pulp. Okay, it's definitely a little bit louder than I'm used to. But man, that juiced it really fast. Okay, we're gonna stop that and then hit play because there's a bit more. Let's get that down here. I'm wondering if because my chunks were so large. I don't know, because right now it's not making that crazy noise. But, all right, let's see. Let's go ahead and turn this off. I love that as soon as I do that, it stops dripping. We've got all this beautiful juice. That's quite a bit of juice. That's actually surprisingly really good. And then check out all of this pulp right here. I got all of that because, you know, I mean, I definitely am not one to want all of that pulp in my juice, but it is nice and dry because it's literally like extracted all of the possible juice that you can get. Man, this machine is quite a beast. It is brand new. I am just like trying to figure this out as I go. As I said, I've tried many juicers before. I don't think I've seen one as nice as this. I absolutely love that the pulp is in like a little side container instead of just like a little bucket like this. I do love that you have like a spout like this here for the juice. I think it's cute, and you just have like the little, you know, tray here, because that tray you actually had to like pop on itself. But yeah, I think this is really awesome, and I am going to get a ton of use out of this.